He's right here. Yep. Good morning. This is Kathleen at My Alabama Farm Life, and today I'm going to do a review on the Ryobi 15-inch 40-volt string trimmer kit. I just bought this yesterday at Home Depot, and it was $159, which is not too bad considering that I only paid $99 for this set. Now, I've been using Ryobi for many years, and it's a good product. I do recommend it. Like I said, I haven't had any problems with them. And this is actually my oldest string trimmer. As you can see, it doesn't have the pull trigger. This has the dual ones. I have to mention that I had another one like this with the flapper triggers, but it broke. One of them, well, my original one, it broke off and I couldn't use it, so I had to go buy this one. Again, this was only $99 when I first purchased it. I found the need to have to buy an extra trimmer for my grandson, Vincent. He has actually gotten bigger than me now, so I know that he can handle one of these trimmers, and that's what I purchased this one for. This is going to be Vincent's trimmer. So let's get this open and put together and get it running. In fact, grab that in and pull. There we go. Alright, I got my charger. We got our hood. I needed one of these. I've been hand cranking on these old ones because I've lost these. I have like 3 or 4 of them laying around, but I can't find any of them. See, I just went shopping yesterday and I got all my food for the month. Oh, alright guys, so this is a new head. I've never seen one like this before. So it actually has a lock and unlock. And it's already loaded, so cool. You ready? Alright, the pop. This one. This came with the 4 amp battery. And, ooh, this is dead. Oh, nope. I got a yellow light, so we're gonna have to charge this before I use it. Yes, Vincent?
Ready?
Ready for what?
I thought we were going to get the car.
I just finished.
Oh, sorry.
Well, come here. So it's not working right now, but how does it feel?
It's not bad. I should probably use it on the opposite hands.
Maybe.
Yeah, this would help better.
Alright. So we'll get a battery in it and we will
Weed whack.
teach you how to do it. Teach you how to weed whack.
I already know how to weed whack. You taught me already.
Yeah, but you'll get really good at it.
Can I let Rudy out?
Yeah, let Rudy out. Well,
Do I have to let the beast out? Because he's going to jump all over me.
let him out.
Hey, come on. Come on, Chubby.
There goes Shelly. Rudy, come! There he is. There's the Rudy.
Hey, Rudy, come. Are you gonna come get yours?
Pull it out. Oh, very carefully lay it on the ground. All right, we're gonna put this new weed eater through its paces, and there you go. Vincent is using it and doing a good job. So you guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video. And enjoy a few bloopers. Oh no, sock came off. Thought your mom bought you some crews.
Yeah, well, guess what? I ran out. He's in the truck. Chill out.
Alright.
So, didn't you get one for me?
Yeah, I got this one for you. You know, I'm videotaping.